It's beautiful flower here.
Car shows you get the flower. These are the Mustangs. Knockoffs. Good
1965.
class cars, but I don't think they compare to these.
Ford Mustang.
They may have the horsepower, but not the looks.
All day.
Beautiful. That's what that one is doing. All these are.
Wow. Like this one too.
Beautiful.
1966 Mustang. Oh, look at this here.
Beautiful.
1969.
68 right here.
1968.
Murphy Cougar. Attached to the hood.
Oh, look at that. It's a Cougar.
No, you get a Cougar all the way around.
Roadrunner.
Yeah. So the Roadrunner inside?
They are all look beautiful. 1968.
TA. Now, these are the cars we had when we were teenagers here. We would have known.
Late.
I'm serious. We go.
buy now.
We go to the old folks' home. We pick it up.
There's a yellow car.
There's a Roadrunner. Guess who's the seat? The Roadrunner and Wile E. Coyote on the front seat. Now he's always chasing the Roadrunner. Here, over here.
Oh, wow.
I think this is a different sort of a wider. It's almost like
I wouldn't mind driving this one. Hmm?
Yeah, no, all our cars. You can go right next door and you got another beautiful long one.
Beautiful one here too.
No, it's nothing spectacular. 1934.
This one,
1934.
1934. On here. Oh, it's a big car. Eh?
But they ride like a dream. Float.
Oh, because it's
They
Lincoln?
float, man. They get on the highway, they float. You never rode. Nice.